Hello, Namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta, and I am Pooja welcoming you here. So let's continue with the day 15th of our SQL series and let's move ahead. Okay, so in the last video we are dealing with the questions like weather observation 18, 19 and the new companies. So in the today video I am continuing with the weather observation station 20. If you wanted to know that how I solved this last video or last questions, so please check my last videos. And also if you find them useful and you learn something from them, please like, share and subscribe my channel and like, share that videos. Okay, so let's continue with the weather observation 20. Please ignore the surrounding sound which is in my surrounding and focus on my voice because there's so many too much surrounding sounds. Okay, so let's continue the weather observation 20. Okay, okay, so what the query says. Okay, a median is defined as the number separating the higher half of the data set from the lower half of the data set. Okay, what is a median? So median is a particular number which is separating the higher half of the data set from the lower half of the data set. Huh. And query the median of the northern latitude. Okay, we have to find the median of the northern latitude from a station and round that value to the four decimals. Okay, so first of all, what is a median? I think you will all know that if there's a five values, so the third one will be the median because there's equal number in its right side and the left side. Okay, in the four, if there's a fourth thing, so what will be the median? So median will be the sum and then the average of the second and the third value. Okay, so I think you will get the point. Okay, uh for a median, there's a no direct function in the MySQL, so we have to continue with the CT. First we develop create a CT, that is common table expression, and after that we will go through it. Okay, so let's start the query. So first we use with ranks. Okay, with ranks, sorry, as uh, it will be like select what, select latitude and comma rank, rank the function, rank function is used, and over what, rank the values over select latitude now. So we have to rank over, sorry, it's lat latitude, sorry, it's latitude, and over we have to order by on latitude in descending order, so it will start from 1. Okay, start from 1 and will be S R A N K I N G, ranking, and that's it. Okay, so it will create a CT table. It's table expression, name is rank. Okay, and having the two columns like latitude and the ranking. Okay, so ranking will what have, ranking will have the rank for the particular latitude number. Okay, now continue with the next query because we have to use your two queries. Now select the latitude. Okay, latitude, firstly we have to round first, round latitude by 2. Okay, and they round it by 4 decimal places. Now from where, from station, actually we are not using a station because we have to find a station from station. Okay, now round the latitude number from floor, from station where ranking in, what in, select, I have to write in small letter, Ranking, ranking, and select, okay, rank, uh, count, star, star by 2. Okay, then, and also we have to round the count. So round the count, okay, round the count, yeah, from station, and also where L LATN is not null. Okay, so for here's the two thing that we have to do. First of all, we are creating a CT here. Okay, the CT is telling what, that we have to create a rank table, and rank table having the latitude number column and the rank and the column called ranking, and the ranking column having have what ranking column have the ranks of the latitude number, which are ordered in a descending order. It means 1 2 3 4 kind of thing, where smaller one be first and then the no, so sorry, the higher one will first and then a lower. Okay, now again then I will use a select column and using sorry, and then rounding the latitude number by the for the two decimal places from station, and where what I have to do, I am just using, I have to find a median. Okay, so what I have to find, I have to find a median. So I have to take this thing that the rank, the median value having what, the median having the rank will be the middle one. Okay, so in this select, round the count star by 2. By 2 will do what will be if the five, if there is a 5 elements. Okay, so what will be the total, it will be 5, and then 5 by 2 will be 3 point something something something. If there is 3 point something something, so it will just count the round will be 3. Okay, because there is a no after the comma, it will be, so decimal will be count to integer, so it will be 3. Okay, so the round ranking will be in what, ranking will be 3. So if the 3 ranking, so it will get the value that is where from the rank, from the ranks, that what is the value of the latitude for the rank 3, so that will value will be returned to here and it will be round to the 4. Okay, and of also there the place that latitude value be not null. Okay, because maybe it occurs that a 0 point something kind of a latitude will be there, so it will not. Okay, and also I have to find that what to do. Also, one thing is there, that why I'm using a station, I have to write here ranks, because I'm here creating a ranks table. So now continue the submission. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so the test case, sample test case 0 will be passed, and I will again explain that what is going here. Okay, so let's with a rank as in, first I will create a normal CT. Okay, CT is a common table expression which is it is a kind of instance table which is created during the query. Okay, what it holds, it holds the particular kind of the columns which we need while we are querying to the data. Okay, so I'll create a rank CT. Okay, it contain a latitude number and a rank. Okay, now what they are asking, they are asking for a median. Okay, so how a median, for the 5 elements the median is 3, and for 2 elements the median is the average of 2 and 1, and most probably it will be 2. Okay, now what have, now I am just taking the latitude number from the ranks and round it to the 4 decimal places, and after that ranks what in, where ranking in what, ranking in select round. Round it means I'm maybe the two or more having the same latitude, no, latitude number will be different, so it will round it, the point will be converted into normal, and then the count start with 0, divided by 2, so it will give me a central number or mid number from the station. It will count from a station. Why station? Because station is the main, that where the all number will be there. Okay, and also I have to conclude that the latitude number in this ranking, it means from the main station, then latitude number will not null. Okay, now I think I have done, and we understand this the thing. Now submit the code, and the test case 0 will pass, and the compiler is a success. And the banner is also here. So guys, wait. So guys, let's moving forward to the next question we have for today. So it's the report. The question that is a report. So here's the two tables given. First, I've converted it into my SQL server. Okay, continued two tables, student and a grade. The student contains the three column ID, name, and marks. Okay, student containing this, and the grade will contain the grades and the mean marks and the max marks. Okay, now what the query we have to do? We have quite this thing. Okay, Getty gives Eve a task to generate a report containing three columns. Okay, so we have the three columns. Okay, Katie does not want the names of the students who received a grade lower than the 8. Okay, so Katie wants a table in which it have three columns: name, grade, and marks. And Katie does not want the names of the students who are having the grade less than 8. Okay, so the report must be in the descending order by grade. Okay, descending means the first one with last one. Okay, so higher grades are enter first. If there is a more than one student have the same grade 10 to 1, assign them, then order them particular student by their name. Okay, so if having their name, so we have to name. Okay, finally, if the grade are lower than 8, use null as their name. Yeah, of course, and list them according to the grades in the descending order. Okay, if there, if names, if there is more than one student having the same grade, then assign to them, then order those to particular marks. Okay, so I will tell you in the simple way. It is a more complicated. Okay, what the question, what the Katie wants. So Katie wants, so Katie what wants? So Katie wants a table having name and the grade and the marks. Okay, now in the name, grade, marks, if the particular students have the higher grades, okay, like 10 and up to 8, 10 to 8, then we have to display their name and marks also. Okay, now if the more than students having the same, like two students having a 8 grades. Okay, then what, then uh by their name. Okay, then sort them according to their names. Okay, let's A will be getting the 8, and also B will be getting 8. Okay, so we have to create a table having the name, grade, and marks. And first, initially we have to order the table according to the grades of the students having grades between 10 to 8. And if there's a student having, if there's two or more students having the same grades, then what, then assign, sorry, then order the particular student according to their names. Okay, now if the two now the names of the students who have less than 8, means 7 to 1, then the name will be null. Okay, now what if the null name students having grades similar, like 7 or kind of thing? So if the two or more students having the same grades less than 8, then sort them according to their marks. What are their marks? Marks be like 88 and 87 kind of thing. Okay, this is what we have to done in the query. Okay, it here it will look like that it is a very huge thing, but it was nothing. We have to just use your kind of a thing. Okay, now first of all we have to name, so select case. Okay, what case? When. Now grade is belong to g grade table, so I am using alias that g dot grade grade will be greater than 8, greater than equal to 8. Okay, lower than 8, greater than or equal to 8. So what then? Sorry, if names having less than 8, less than n, then use null, either one, else g dot, sorry, s dot, s dot what, s dot name. Okay, and then end. Okay, this is a particular thing for the name column. Okay, now grade, so grade is coming from where? G dot grade grade. And what for the marks, so marks coming from student table, so s dot rks marks. Okay, now from where, from which table? So it's coming from student table, so student students as s, and also have to give this s name. Okay, s, and join it over, join with what, join with the grades, so grades grades sg. Okay, on what, on the particular thing that if s dot marks 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 be it between what, g dot mean marks marks and g dot max marks. Okay, sorry, mark, not marks, it's mark, mean mark and min mark. Okay, so number will be between anything between g min and g max, then the particular grade will assign to the student. Okay, now this is what the particular thing. Yes, to have to separate. This is for the column creation. Okay, how the column will be done. This is how the student table will be joined with the grades, and on what the condition they will join. Now order by. Then now how the results will be ordered. Okay, now to order the results, what thing we have to firstly what order by according to g dot grades. Grade will be in capital G R A D E, grade. Okay, in the descending order. Okay, also what if really case that when g dot g rad grade is greater than 8, then assign it according to what, s dot name. Okay, name will be in small capital, also capital, so g dot name, and else according to what, according to s dot marks marks. Okay, and that's it, end. Okay, so this is for the column, this is for the how the tables will join, and this is how on which condition they will join, and how the results it will be ordered. Okay, so what they say, according to, we have to order the according to the grades. Okay, then we will use here that if the grade is greater than 8, then use the name first. First order, then according to name. Okay, so if it will primarily, I will show you that. Consider that if having a 10, 9, then 8, then 8. Okay, so Firstly, it will order according to descending order of grade, so it will 10 and 9. Okay, now two having grade same, so now it will continue and shift to the next condition. If grade is greater than 8, yeah, both the grades are greater than 8, so use their names to order them. Okay, so let's think that it was belong to B and this was belong to A. Okay, so they will, A will come first and then B will second. Okay, now if they are having 7 and 7, okay, having both null values and null values. Okay, null values, null will be represented as 5 null values. Okay, now else substitute sorry, order according to their number. So 62 will be a ones and 11 is 61. So 62 will come prior and then 61 will be. Okay, this is how the order set will be look in the this particular order. Okay, now ready to run the code, and it is here. No mistake, no marks, name, marks. Yeah, it's less than 8. G dot grade descending. Write syntax near it. When graded, case when G dot grade. Okay, what is here wrong here? When graded greater than and equal to it. Runtime error. Greater than equal to it will be maybe here, because we have to order it according to name. Equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to. Of course, greater than equal to. No. Let's see. Let's go to question 2. List the name according to the grade. So if there's a more than one student has the same name, then order the according to the marks ascending order. Okay, so S dot marks and S AS. Okay, in the ascending order we have to organize this because again there are let have to go to the continue with the things and this person order by will be there, not order. Okay, because order by then grade, yeah, thank god, now it's all done. And sample test case 0 will be pass, was pass. Now I will try to explain you once more what the question is. I figure out all the things that Kelly and Eve are the two friends, and Eve task is to generate a report containing the 3 columns, that is a num, grade and marks. And Katie told her to create a report in such a way that if the student having a grades greater than 8 or 8, so represent their name and sort the particular grade, those are student those are greater than 8 in in the descending order of their grade. And then after descending order, if there is a 2 or more student having the same grades, then arrange them according to their names. Okay, now if the grades of the students are less than these 8, or it's below to 8 and between 1 and 2 7, so order them according to their marks. If two and more students having the same marks, then what will do, because the name will be not there, because null will be uh, set as their name. So if the students having more than marks, two or more students same marks, then what, then sorry grades, then order them according to their marks. Okay, and that's it. And according order them in the ascending order. Ascending order means the prior one will be first, the smaller one will be first, and then the greater one will last. Okay, that's it. Now ready to submit the code. compiler message success and test case 0 will was passed, and the banner is here. Congratulations, banner is here. Now, guys, it's almost 25-minute video, and I am enough for today. It's enough for today. So, if you have any doubt regarding this, the report question and the weather observation 20 question, so please comment down. I will definitely help you for solving the doubt. And if you have in hurry, please chat GPT it. And if you think that I'm creating a video, and this video will helps you a lot, and will be easy to get something logic, and you will learn something new from this. So please like my video, share my video, and please comment down that it was great, or kind of a thing that it will appreciate me. And last one, and the most important thing, please subscribe my channel. It will encourage me and to create more and more good videos like this. Okay, so at last, bye bye, and please like, share and subscribe my channel and videos. Bye bye.